Let's take a look today at one possibility of why you may not be able to change your profile picture or your default picture for your YouTube channel. So I just went into my YouTube channel that I created today, and I saw that I wasn't able to change to my company logo. It was just stuck at this J like it is for my GSuite account or for my Google account. So this issue looks like it may be specific to GSuite. So if you're using GSuite, what you'll have to do to change your logo for your avatar here and also for YouTube is open up your Google account and go to Google Apps, and then scroll down and open up your admin app. It'll ask you to verify. And once you are signed in, you'll be in the admin app. So from the admin app, you're going to have to come to users. And then you're going to select yourself. And then you'll see the profile picture over here, and you'll be able to change that once you're in your specific user account. I'm going to go ahead and select an opaque version of my company logo that I have for my personal training company. And there we go. Now we have that there. And that will actually carry over to your YouTube page. Please note that it's going to take a few minutes to carry itself over. So if it doesn't look like the logo has changed immediately, give it 5 to 10 minutes and then go back to your page and refresh it again. And that logo will have changed.